Okay. So today we're making tortillas using this instant corn masa flour. And we'll see why it's instant, because it's very easy. So we're just going to follow the recipe on the back of the package. And we're going to reduce it by half, which means we're going to take 1 cup of the instant corn flour. So 1 cup here. And then we're going to add 3/4 cups water to that. And we're going to mix it well until it's all combined to form a dough. This might take a few minutes. And once there's no more dry bits, so you can see all the flour's been incorporated into the dough, then we're going to let it sit for 15 minutes and we'll make our tortillas. Okay, should we start? Okay, so we've let this rest for 15 minutes now, and at the same time we're going to start preheating the pan that we want to use so it has a nice even heat by the time we want to get going. And now we're going to scale out the tortillas. So to get them roughly 6 inches in size, we want to scale them out to about 1 ounce each. So we're going to portion the dough in 1 ounce balls like that. Oh, perfect.
That's perfect.
And after we have each one portioned out, we're going to place it underneath a kitchen towel that we've prepared that's been moistened, just to keep them from drying out. So we're just going to we'll scale out all the balls first, and then we can press them and cook them. Okay, so we're ready to press the tortillas, and what we have done to prevent the dough from sticking to the tortilla press is just take a Ziploc bag and divide it into 2 pieces, so that gives us a bit of a thicker plastic that we can reuse every time. So we're going to set these up. We're going to take one of our dough balls that we measured out previously and try and place it just square in the center of the press. If you keep it as round as possible, then we're going to place the other sheet of fabric on top, or the other sheet of plastic on top, again keeping it nice and center, and then we're going to press down with the tortilla press firmly and firm. And here we have our tortilla. So carefully peel back the top layer here, and then you're going to carefully peel back the tortilla from the plastic like this and place it square on your pan. And what you're looking for is for the tortilla to kind of change color a little bit. It'll start to dry out. You can take a peek underneath, and then once it's kind of cooked enough on the one side, you'll flip it over and finish cooking on the other side.
That iron is on, right? That iron on.